fat then. Next one, in relation to the Agni and digestive metabolism, looks at carbohydrate content in the diet. Studies have shown that the number one thing when it comes to weight loss is lowering carbohydrate content in your diet. So it's number one, diet, number two, exercise, most powerful things for weight loss. If you completely eliminate all carbohydrates, it can be really good for weight loss. It puts the body into ketosis, means using the fats for fuels. Yet, if you are doing that, it's not a long-term diet that I recommend. If you have more of a kapha constitution, you can do it for a couple of months or more. If you are a Pitta-dominant type, as David believes he is, then I wouldn't use a ketosis, no carbohydrate diet for long periods of time, maybe a week or 2 weeks at the max. I would prefer to use what I call a slow-carb diet or a low-carb diet. So sweet potato, pumpkin, little bits of basmati rice, still whole grains and not flour products. I'd cut out wheat and the very strong growth promoting grains, and you should be able to lose weight by just introducing those. You could also introduce intermittent fasting, meaning cutting out dinner on maybe 2 days of the week could really help to have a longer fasting period, lots of liquids between the meals, and especially during that night period, maybe a soupy stew that's very vegetable dominant. If you feel your hunger being Pitta dominant is too much, then just favor the vegetables with no carbohydrate content to them, especially the leafy green type vegetables cooked into a stew. These have got very low carbohydrate and can be great to stimulate diuretic, fluid metabolism, getting rid of excess fluids and getting rid of excess weight.